Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to find your connected followers activity by date on Facebook using your PC. This is especially useful if you want to track interactions or analyze follower engagement over specific periods. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to access the drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a list of options. Among them, click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps track of all your interactions and activities. Now, under the Connections section of the Activity Log, locate and click on Followers. This will display a list of activities related to your followers. At the top of the page, you'll notice a button labeled Date. Click on it to open the date filter options. Here, you can specify a time frame for the activity you want to review. Choose the start and end dates that suit your needs. Once you've selected the desired period, click Save Changes. Facebook will then filter and display follower activities based on the time frame you've set. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find and filter your connected followers' activity by date on Facebook using your PC. This feature makes it easy to organize and analyze engagement data efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.